Band 17, valence, the number of electrons gained, lost, or shared by an atom in bonding with one or more atoms. Polar compound, 1. The molecules of which are composed of ions formed by the lending and borrowing of electrons such as acids, bases, and salts, also called electrovalent or ionic compounds. Nonpolar compound, 1. The molecules of which contain pairs of shared electrons such as sugar, also called covalent compounds. Analysis, the decomposition of a compound into its elements in order to determine its composition. Synthesis, a chemical change in which several substances combine to form a compound. Single replacement, a chemical reaction in which a free element replaces a combined element. Double replacement, a chemical reaction in which two combined elements exchange places. Reversible reaction, a chemical change in which the products react with each other to form the original substances. The electromotive electrochemical series, a list of metals arranged in order of their relative activity or their tendency to lose electrons. Ionization, the formation of ions from polar solute molecules by the action of the solvent. Neutralization, the reaction between an acid and a base to form a salt and water. Neutralization, ionic definition, a chemical reaction in which the hydrogen ions of an acid combine with the hydroxide ions of a base to form non-ionized or undissociated water. Acid, a substance containing hydrogen which yields hydrogen ions as the only positive ions in water solution, in the general sense a proton donor. Weak acid, one that is slightly ionized in water solution such as acetic acid. Strong acid, one that is highly ionized in water solution such as sulfuric acid. Base, a substance that combines with hydrogen ions, a proton acceptor, the hydroxide of a metal or a metallic radical. Weak base, one that is slightly ionized in water solution as ammonium hydroxide. Strong base, one which is highly ionized in water solution as sodium hydroxide. Amphoteric, amphiprotic, capable of acting either as an acid or as a base. Salt, a compound formed by a positive ion other than hydrogen and a negative ion other than hydroxide, as zinc sulfate. Double salt, a compound consisting of two metals and an acid radical, as sodium potassium tartrate. Ester, ethereal salt, a compound consisting of an alkyl radical and an acid radical, as ethyl acetate.